Okay, this morning we're going to do the piston cap, the next one in the series here. So doing 5960, this will be 61. All right, and it is inches, so this will come up, make sure it's English, standard inch, and create. Have yourself a cup of coffee while you're waiting for it to come up. There we go. Alright, so we're going to start with the top view. So I'm going to click 2D sketch and we'll pick this plane, this YZ plane. And don't forget to rotate it into place. And we'll just a circle. Let's see, this thing is 5.75. Alright, so here's your basic. Okay? Now, there's another circle on the inside of it because this thing does have a hole in it, and that's going to be 3.5. Now, this is one way we can do it, but there's a better way. So let's go back. You know, we could just extrude this and then build on top of it and so on and so forth. But let's try something different. So I'm just going to undo, and I'm just going to go back all the way to create sketch. Alright, now let's go to start sketch again. This time I'm going to go XY, and I'm going to do a rectangle here and a rectangle here. Excuse me. Alright, now let's go ahead and get some dimensions going. This is going to be 1.5 here. I'll zoom out a bit. Let me back that up. Okay. And we'll dimension this side 0.25. And I want to get that back on the dot, so I'll just set that to 0. And this will be also 0.25. And this, let's see, get in here so I can get the line. And we'll pull this down. Right click, hit linear diameter. Alright, so that we want it to be 5.75. Alright, now a hole in the middle is 3.5, right? So I'm going to do a line right about there and trim. Once again, right click, linear diameter. Missed. Let's try that again. Sometimes you miss. Linear diameter. 3.5. Alright, so that's got that. Now, we'll take that. We'll grab that line. I'm going to change it right here. See this button? It's a construction line right underneath the center line. So I'm going to do a center line there. Alright, so that's going to be my pivot point. So, 3D model, revolve. And there we go. We hit OK on that. Alright, so that's got the top, or the main spot, main part. Let's go up to the top and pick the top edge. New sketch. Alright, so we got 4 of these little deals. So I'm just going to put the circle here somewhere. And this is going to be a radius of 0.5. Now I'm going to do a circle. And it's going to be a diameter of 4.25. So I'm just going to put it about right there. There we go. That needs to be right on that corner. So grab this, move, base point, pick your point, put it right on that. Right there. There we go. And you could have mirrored that too, but you would have drawn a line to mirror it. So one of those things. Okay, so we'll trim here. And I'm going to project that. All right. Now I'll trim this. Let me go back. Trim it in the wrong spot. Let's see if I can trim now. There we go. All right. Now we'll project this. All right, you're like, yeah, we're just a circle in the middle. We're not going to do that yet because you will see why. I'm going to go ahead and extrude this. So 3D model, not revolve. Extrude. Point 25, but we're going the other way. Go down. So there's that. All right, now circular pattern. Pick the feature. Rotation axis. We want 4 of them. Now for the rotation axis, I just pick the corner. I just pick the edge of that. Okay. And that puts them in for us. All right, now I'm going to flip to the bottom. Now I'm going to do another circle. And it's going to be the same. 4.25. And I'm going to just use a point. I'm going to put that point right there. Now we have 8 holes total, okay? So I'm going to do a circular pattern. Take that. My axis is going to be right there. Change that to 8, and now I've got 8 of those things. All right. Hole. All right, now each of my holes is a diameter of 0.5. So we'll put 0.5 in there. Now I've got 8 holes that are a diameter of 0.5. Let me hit OK. And there it is. Just like that, you got it done. All right, so let's go ahead and save that. All right. So this is CAD 61. Save that. Go over to our solid bodies. Right click, properties. And this is called the piston cap. Without the O. There we go. And get our mass and everything like that just in case we need it. Go ahead and hit OK. And we'll save it again. Alright, now it's time to do our layout. So, once again, either one of these work. I always like to use the IDW one, but it doesn't matter. You can do either one. Alright, go ahead and go to sheet 1, edit sheet, go to your B size, and hit OK. Alright, now we're going to do our base view. Now, on this one, I want to do the top view. Okay, and I'm going to go with 3/4 scale. So there's that. Now, I'm going to do a section view for the side. Take that, line up with that center, okay? Go all the way, make sure you go past, gotta go, don't stop there, go past it a little bit, okay? Then right click, continue, and place it. And that'll give you your section, scale's 3/4, and you can do your dimensions. Alright, so annotate, dimension. Alright, let's use this one, centered pattern. We'll pick here, and then we'll pick each one of these. See how it's giving me the curved line as I go? And then I'll pick the first one again and create. And then we've got all of our center points in. Now, use this. All right. Pull that line through. There we go. And you can do one through here as well. So there's your 3 center lines. Now, and then we'll take and edit this one. Hit the home key to get it up front. Type 8x, put a space. But there's actually more than 8 in there. There's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so let's change that to 12. Alright. Alright, now I want this number on the outside. So I'm just going to move it over. And there we go. Alright, so that's got all your dimensions. We'll go ahead and zoom all. Save this as CAD 61. Now to put CAD 61 there, now we can export it as a PDF. And that'll be CAD 61 PDF. And that's what you'll turn in the classroom. Alright, so that takes care of the piston cap. Let's see. Next is the intake flange. We'll do that one in another day. CAD 62 coming up. See you at the next one.